Good morning, respected teacher. Myself, ANKUR Singh, along with my teammate PRADYUMNA Singh, is going to give presentation on the topic email spam and malware filtering. So, what is spam? Spam is any kind of unwanted, unsolicited digital communication that gets sent out in bulk. Other often is sent via email, but it can also be disrupted via text messages, phone calls, or social media. Spammers use many forms of communication to bulk send their unwanted messages. Some of these are marketing messaging, peddling unsolicited goods. Other types of spam messages can spam malware, trick you into divulging personal information, or scare you into thinking you need to pay to get out of trouble. So what is malware? Malware is a file or code typically delivered over a network that infects, explores, steals, or conducts virtually any behavior an attacker wants. And because malware comes in so many variants, there are numerous methods to infect computer systems. So what are the problems? So there are many problems. The first one is it affects productivity in your company. Other one is it affects your business service and makes the company more vulnerable. It contains malware such as ransomware and spyware. It can use legal problems. Now here we can see who benefits from spam.
Thank you, Ankur. Spam. Now this slide contains spam filter technique. A spam filter is a program used to detect unsophisticated, unwanted, and virus-infected emails and prevent those messages from getting to a user's inbox. Like other type of filtering programs, a spam filter look for specific criteria on which to base its judgment. Now this slide contains types of spam filter. There are many different types of spam filter. The most frequently used filters include the following. First, the word filter. This type of anti-spam filter is one of the simplest and most used. It scans the messages contained for specific terms to identify spam. For example, you add the word buy and all the emails that contain the terms buy will be blocked. If you add the terms promotion, it will probably block both legitimate messages and spams, creating a high rate of false positivity. Second one is heuristic filter. Using algorithm and other features allow heuristic filters to identify spam based on scoring. In these types of analysis, certain words and technical aspects of message earn points. Reaches a pre-stabilized scores as a spam, the message is blocked and directly to the quarantine folder. Quarantine folder. Third one is Bayesian filter. The Bayesian filter is a type of heuristic analysis that aims to learn from the users what is and what isn't spam by using machine learning and other advanced algorithms for email filtering. Over time, the Bayesian filter became one of the most effective anti-spam tools because artificial intelligence itself can distinguish the profile of unwanted or dangerous messages. Fourth one contains blacklist filter. Blacklists are one of the most popular types of anti-spam filters. In this case, list of IPs and emails address are used to block messages from specific centers. In other words, when an email is sent to the company, the filter checks if the IP or email address has a good reputation or not. Fifth one is whitelist filter. Whitelists are exactly the opposite of blacklist. Instead of blocking certain IPs and email IDs, it filters, delivers messages and specific senders. Now, precaution. Use a reputable webmail server for email. Never click on a link or graphics unless you absolutely trust the email senders. Third one, evaluate the sender's email address and content of email. Thank you.